Welcome back everyone, Dayarn and Andy here.
Just a quick recap. A few weeks ago we put together around 40 kilos of banknotes and coins to send over to the hydraulic press channel in Finland. The hydraulic press channel have been hard at work doing what they do best.
Crushing.
Seems pretty hard.
Sorry for the teaser, guys.
You'll have to head over to the hydraulic press channel to see how the currency crushing turned out.
Firstly, we'd like to say a massive thank you to the hydraulic press channel for collaborating with us in this. We've seen a great response from all of you guys at home, so thanks to everybody who popped over to our channel, subscribed, left a comment, shared any of our content. It's very much appreciated.
The hydraulic press channel have actually put together 2 videos using our currency, so we've put both of the links down in the description for you. And some of you will see a link pop up in the top right hand corner now.
So a lot of you have been wondering about the currencies that we sent over to the hydraulic press channel. So in this video, we're going to shine a little light on the currency of Venezuela.
What is the Venezuelan Bolivar?
How much is it worth?
Let's find out.
Over the years, the currency of Venezuela has undergone several changes, and their current currency, the Bolivar Soberano, has suffered hyperinflation and has quickly become the weakest circulating currency in the world.
But this isn't the first time that Venezuela has suffered from hyperinflation.
In 1876, after some political changes, a single currency was adopted for the country, the Venezolano. It was a short lifetime for the Venezolano, and in only 1879, the Venezolano was replaced with the Bolivar.
The original Bolivar suffered years of hyperinflation. In short, hyperinflation describes the rapid and uncontrollable increase in the prices of all goods and services. This led to the replacement of the first Bolivar in 2008 by the Bolivar Fuerte, which translates to strong Bolivar.
One Reddit user posted a photo using a Fuerte banknote as a napkin with the caption, "The economy in Venezuela is so messed up, it's cheaper to use actual cash than to buy napkins." So the strong Bolivar didn't quite live up to its name, and just 10 years later, the Bolivar Fuerte was replaced with the Bolivar Soberano at a rate of 100,000 to 1.
The Soberano remains the currency of Venezuela today, but sadly, unlike Venezuela's numerous past versions of the Bolivar, Venezuela's battles with hyperinflation have not come to an end.
The Soberano was originally introduced in denominations ranging from 2 to 500 Bolivars. By 2019, further inflation resulted in the introduction of a 10,000, 20,000 and 50,000 Bolivar banknote. And as of December 2020, the highest denomination of 50,000 Bolivars had a value of 5 US cents.
In March of 2021, the Central Bank of Venezuela introduced 3 new denominations of 200,000, 500,000 and 1 million. And by May of 2021, 3 million bolivars had a meager value of $1 US.
So the banknotes that we sent over to the hydraulic press channel were practically valueless. But we hope that their video brings you more happiness than the currency of Venezuela can buy. Why not share the love over on the hydraulic press channel now and hit that subscribe button.
If you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up button below, and we've got lots more videos in the works. So hit the subscribe button for updates on those.
Once again, a massive thank you to the hydraulic press channel for the collaboration, and thanks for all of the kind words and support from you guys at home.
Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.